Today we are going to see The Old Man and the Sea. I won't be doing the complete novella. I'll be doing it in parts. So here, my first video, I'll introduce the novella to you. And as the novella begins, we see that the old man is without fish for 85 days and 84 days, and then this is the 85th day, and he is very hopeful about getting a fish. And then there's a boy named Manolin who used to be a help to him, and then Manolin consoles him saying that you have a record of having 87 days without fish, and then you brought many good fishes. So this old man is when we describe, if we describe the old man, he's a very thin man with he got many wrinkles on his neck, and then he also got the blotches, which is because of the sunburn. And then he's a very everything about him is old except his eyes have the color of the sea. And then he's very confident about his expeditions. He is very confident that one day he can surely get back to his trade, and then he can get many fishes. And then Manolin is not with him anymore in the boat, because when he crossed 40 days without fish, his father, Manolin's father, made him to go in another boat where he can get some money. And then this boy utilizes that money in getting this old man food and everything. One interesting fact about this old man is that he is a person who never shares his problems, who never tells others what he doesn't have. For example, like they go through a fiction every day that yellow pot of yellow rice is there, and then fish curry is there, and all. They go on with this fiction, but actually nothing of that sort is there. The old man lives in a small hut, a small shack, where he has it's made of the palm leaves, and then there are the relics of his wife is there, like the picture of the Sacred Heart of Jesus and the Virgin of Coimbra, etc. Then there was also the picture of his wife there on the palm on that hut, on the walls of the hut, but then he removed it because the picture of his wife, who is already dead, makes him feel more lonely. So he's living there like that. And then the boy is very much careful about him. So whenever he goes to the sea and when he comes back, this boy accompanies him, and then he carries everything, all the tools and everything he carries back home, and then he brings him food. Sometimes he even brings beer, etc. And then the boy asks him whether he can get some sardines for the bait, and then this old man says he doesn't need. But when the boy compels, he agrees to have 2 sardines as his bait for fishing. When the boy goes to get the sardines, when he comes back, he brings some food, and the food is offered by the owner of the terrace, the shop there, the restaurant there, and he offered the food. And then this old man says that one day we must give him back, we must give him the best part of the fish that I get. So like that. And then another factor about this old man is that he's very much interested in baseball, and then his favorite is DiMaggio, the player DiMaggio. And then he hopes to go for fishing along with DiMaggio once DiMaggio had come shore, but then he was very timid to ask. They often have this discussion, man-to-man discussion about baseball, fishing, and all these things. So the boy says that he needs to the boy needs to sleep because he has to go early morning, and then even the old man needs to go early morning. And then the old man says that he will wake the boy up, and the boy says that you are my alarm clock. And then the old man says age is my alarm clock. Like that, both of them, they go to sleep, and tomorrow early, and the next day early morning, the old man will go for his expedition. 85th day, he's very hopeful about 85th day that he will surely get a fish. And then he even thinks about buying a lottery ticket with that amount. And then this boy is very much like, he says he wants to get a lottery ticket, and lottery ticket can cost $2, I know. But the boy is very cheerful. He says that surely I can get that money, I can get the lottery for you. The boy is so good to him. And then in the coming videos, in the coming classes, we will see what happens next. And then this novella is all about his fishing, so we will see it in parts. Okay, thank you.